Where did the day go? She wonders, how did I end up here? Daughter of a banker, wife of an engineer, and she says, oh, where did my life go? And I may never know what moves you, I say, and she says, oh no, you already do. Almost all of the things that I'd ever want another person to. She left her husband in Pennsylvania